40 miles west of Grand Rapids, in Fennville, Michigan, CSX Q235 is rolling west behind CN Power through the super elevated curve. Just south of town, at East End Wells, a loaded coal train who had been waiting for 335 is getting underway. This passing siding, at 9,150 feet, is named for a former Fennville station agent and was placed into service in 1948. Located just west of the steep Saugatuck Grade, the siding is the ordinary place for helpers coupling onto trains needing assistance over the hill. Weighing in at over 18,000 tons, these 130-car loaded coal trains require at least 16,000 horsepower to summit the grade at Saugatuck, which features a grade over 1% for 3 curving miles out of the Kalamazoo River Valley. We are now at 55th Street, halfway up the hill, as they come charging up grade with their running start from Fennville. The uphill grade and curvature has soon taken its toll, with the 7,000-foot train down to a walking speed. However, man's mechanical muscles win out, with the head end reaching the summit as the helpers come roaring by in Run 8. At the top of the hill, they reached the siding at East Saugatuck. Here, D802 cuts away and returns to Grand Junction, where they return their power to an empty coal train staged for the run to Chicago. N903 continues on, and we close this program with them in Port Sheldon at the Pigeon River on final approach to the J.H. Campbell Generating Facility. Thanks for watching this episode of the Thornapple River Rail Series. If you enjoyed this program, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Thornapple River Rail Series on Facebook and here at YouTube.